Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise supergeneral brand 20 kg top load. This machine having problem with the wash cycle, also spin cycle. Machine after giving any option selection, machine water taking everything perfect, but while running time machine not rotating. That's mean motor not rotating, making huge noise from the motor, and try to rotate, but motor not rotating. We have to check what is the problem exactly. We will check and we will try to resolve the problem. The problem with this machine, I given power connection and starting power, and I'm selecting direct spin. I select only the spin cycle 20 minutes in the to the display. Now I'm going to start. I already start the machine now. Now you can hear the noise. The drain pump already working. Drain motor also working. Already catch the clutch assemble. Now motor should run. Noise from the motor. It is humming noise only, but motor not rotating. We will remove the back cover and we will check motor and capacitor. Also 230 power supply in or not to the motor. We have to check. Now we will go to the next step. And already drain motor is working. Clutch assemble also working properly. Now you can hear the pump noise. Drain pump is working properly. It's humming noise coming motor, but motor not rotating. Now motor should run. Motor not rotating anyway. This is the problem with this machine. That's why we collected from the customer house to our workshop. You can hear the noise. This is from the motor. Anyway, now we have to check the exactly power supplying to the motor or not. We will check the power, harness assemble and capacitor, motor continuity. This sound only coming from the machine. Now we have to check the harness assemble, and we will check 230 power supply or not to the motor. After that we can decide what we can do. We will remove the connection here. This is the motor line. This one common and this one starting running. It should both supply same with the common. Now we can check the continuity. It's showing 24.3 one side, other side also we can check. Also 24 is showing with the common. That's mean motor no issue. Now we have to check the power line from the PCB to this two wire coming from the PCB and also with the common, this is common wire, that's mean neutral. Now we can check power supplying to it is with the 240 power coming. Now also at the same time we can check here also, and that's mean both wires supplying 230 power, that's why motor not rotating. Now you can see the problem. Now both wire, it should come one wire only one time, but here two wires showing 230 power. You can see the problem. That's why motor humming and not getting start. That's mean starting running both supplying together 240 230 power. That's why motor not rotating. Now we know the problem. Now we can remove the power control box. We will check from the power control box also. Remove the power control box. And we can take power control box. Here this power control box also too much hot. And now what we can do, these two wires, this red and yellow go to the motor, and this one only 230 power supplying to the motor clockwise and anti-clockwise, but one time not should come. One time should come only the one wire, and also we will check here also. After that we can confirm the problem with the control board. We will remove the motor connection, and we can check now also. This one neutral, this one should pass 230 one time, and again here while washing time, but spinning time it should pass 230 only one wire. We will check. Now I am again selecting only the spin, only spin. We have to take neutral wire from here, and I will start the machine. You can see, my dear friends, now here 240 power 230 supplying, also here also together it's supplying 230. That's mean problem with the control board. We have to repair the control board now, otherwise we have to replace the new control board. But anyway, we will try to repair this one. After that our problem will get solved. Now you know the problem. Here both wires supplying 230 240 power to the motor, that's why motor getting hot and not rotating. This is the problem. Now we can understand, now we already understood what is the problem. Now we have to replace the main control, otherwise we have to repair. The most probably this two track shorted, because of that we have to replace, we have to check this two track. After that we will check. Now we have to cut from the back. Now we have to cut from here, and we have to check the track. This is the easy way. Already replace this two track because it's shorted, and I will try to fix, and we will check. First I have to give the power connection to the harness here. This harness is wire. This is for the motor. Where is it? Now I'm giving to power harness. I'm fixing harness to the control board. Now we can check motor whether working or not. Power and selecting only the direct spin. 12 minutes showing. I already given power connection to the PCB control, power control box. Now I will start the machine and I will go for the direct spin. Direct spin 12 minutes. Drain pump is working, the drain motor also. Now if it is motor start, our job will be finished. Yes, motor starting. Yes, my dear friend, you can see the motor starting. Start already, running spin cycle. Remaining only here showing 9 minutes. No any issue. Already my job done. We can fix finally front panel to the main control board and we can hand over to the customer. Before hand over to the customer, we have to check one cycle. Yes, no any issue. Machines spinning very nicely. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video shortly.